I arrived in Nungwi. My wonderful new friend, Habib's brother, younger brother, Eddie. Habib is new friend as well. I met this gentleman on the plane, and his brother Eddie has been hosting me at his place, at his family's place. But anyway, he drove me to Nungwi, which is the northern part of Zanzibar. People said it's wonderful, it's beautiful, beautiful. So I just got here, but I don't know if it's the weather. It's not so pretty to me, but still, I am grateful for what I see, what I have. Now I am going to buy some fruit. So let's see. I'm staying near the fish market. This is my first time buying fruit by myself, actually. So let's see. Let's see how much I can buy with a 10,000 shilling. 10,000 is like 5 Canadian dollars. It's not so much, but it's something. It's something here. Oh, this is the only fruit market. Ah, this is. Nice. Coconut, banana, mandarin. I even ate this. I don't like orange.
Hello?
Mambo.
What?
Mambo. Let me check if there's any other place. Maybe I can find some. We have tomato. What is this? Ah, that's the fruit I was eating, I think. Eddie bought me some fruit. Oh, they cut it and sell it. Okay. Mambo. Ah, sugar cane. Okay. Shingapi? Oh. I honestly don't know how much she said. I asked her how much in Swahili, and he responded in Swahili, but I don't know. Let's see if it's enough. Shilling, yeah. Asante. Asante sana.
Karibu tena. Karibu tena.
Karibu. 4,000 shilling back. So it was actually pretty cheap. 4,000 I can still buy maybe bananas. I want to buy a little bit of bananas. It's fun. Okay. Yeah, the quality is not that good. Maybe I should just go. Okay, it's just more watermelon. I'm happy with the watermelon. Oh, by the way, this is the top mini dress. Is a gift from Eddie. Sweet of him. I'm not your baby.
Yeah, I'm good, baby.
Mambo.
Excuse me.
Hey, it's happy. I have to go. Where's my home? I should go that way. Okay. This burnt smell always remind me of my very first travel to Philippines. Running. Wow, you're so professional. Look at you. Thank you so much. This is my dinner. Almost. Look at this. Was that the half?
Yes.
Okay, why don't you have some? I want you to taste first, at least, please. Did you taste it? Okay, thank you so much. The gari asante sana, and the rest is in the fridge. I'll ask your help tomorrow. Later? Are you working?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, I'll see you later tomorrow. Wow. Love sucker. So pretty.
I want you to move me, 'cause I'm holding on. You know I get down. You know I get.
I'm trying to go to Kandwa and it's raining, pouring. We're waiting for Boda guy. It's been like this, showering on and off. But I booked sunset cruise, sunset tour tonight. Hopefully, weather gets better. Safi. Okay, let's go to Rock, Kendra
Kendra.
Rock. Is it good?
Yeah,
Okay, and Shingapi.
Kendra.
Mm.
Go and return. Or
Go and return? No, just go.
go.
But tomorrow, I need another ride to Kendwa.
Tomorrow.
So tomorrow, come and back. Today, just go.
Today,
How much?
10,000.
No, I know how much.
Okay.
Give me better one. 5,000.
Okay.
5,000. But tomorrow, I'll call you too. Okay?
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, 10,000 because come and
Then
go,
you're
right? Ooh. Very raining. I got here, Kendra Rock Hotel, but still raining so bad. Let me decide. Hi! Thank you, Hussein. See you. Pole.
Yeah, you got two pole, eh?
Okay.
Okay, see you.
Oh, you're not going with us?
I'm looking for client.
Ah, okay. Bye. Pole. No, Korea. Yeah. No, it's alright. Thank you. Thank you.
Up, get up into my mind. Up, get up into the sky. I believe that you will be my love tonight. Celebrate, it's time, come on into the light, celebration. This dream is coming true for me and you, jumping, jumping through the sky. Celebration, celebration,
We're going to the spice farm and stopping by for coconut juice. Wow. Oh, it smells so fresh already.
Non-alcoholic.
Non-alcoholic. Ah, Sante. Sante sana. Just drink it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, we are here.
So for this time, I
Yes.
will be your guide.
Okay.
Yes, that's fine.
All right.
But in our tour, it's no more. We have a 4 stage. This is actually we use the roots. You may take it, and then you can smell it.
Oh, oh, it's a spice. Yeah.
Okay, so this plant is when I look like a banana plant. You know
Yes.
banana? Come to see here is the root.
Okay.
This is the root from this plant here. So its root is the shape which look like a ginger or it look like carrot. But it's not ginger, it's not carrot. So is a root more we are using for medicine as well we are using for making masala. Tandoori masala, garam masala, tandoori and chicken, chicken masala, fish masala,
I like
biryani
masala. Yeah.
minty masala, but we mix it with the other spice.
Okay.
It's like a cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper,
Mm-hmm.
coriander, garlic, and other spice. So when you say masala, it's the mix of spice. But we are using for making masala as well. We use for medicine. For medicine, we use for the pimples or acne. You know pimples?
Pimples? Yeah, pimple. Yeah.
So when you have a pimples or acne, you have to take a fresh root like this with a young coconut. It's
Okay.
baked coconut. So we mix together and then we grind it. When you mix the honey, you're going to get the color. But if you don't mix honey, when you put on a fence, it will be orange like this. So this is a turmeric.
Turmeric.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
turmeric.
turmeric. Yeah,
I
this
love
is
turmeric. Yeah.
Do you like?
So this is turmeric tree?
This is a turmeric is not a tree, but it's a plant.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this is the turmeric plant. Don't
Yeah,
you worry, it's
sure.
not poison. That's why it's good for your health. Yes, you may put on bag. This is the bag is special for this pipe. Okay. So this way.
It's cute.
So you can smell it.
Oh, that's another one.
You can smell it.
Oh, so good. This one is a lemongrass.
Yes.
Yes.
So you know how we call it in Swahili?
Swahili, no.
That's how we call it mchai chai.
Eh?
Mchai chai.
Chai chai.
You know the meaning of chai?
Chai, yes.
So chai means tea.
Chai chai.
Yeah, so that's why you call it mchai chai because we use for prepare green tea.
Ah.
As well as the green tea we use for the yellow fever. Yes.
Really?
Yes.
You think so?
Yeah. So but
Okay.
the lemongrass we use for tea and medicine.
Okay.
For medicine we use for the mosquito. For the mosquito repellent.
Yes.
So how we do? We take a fresh leaf like this.
Uh-huh.
And then we scrub our body. And
Ah.
then mosquito. So
Because mosquito loves me. I
Yeah.
need more lemongrass then.
okay.
Yes.
so
They love my blood. Yeah.
So as well as the lemongrass we are using for making cosmetic, but
Ah.
the lemongrass we are using for making perfume.
Okay.
We made
Yes.
soap.
It's a spicy and bitter. You like it?
I like.
Yeah. I like the smell.
You like the smell?
Yeah. What is this one? Oh! Wait!
Uh-huh.
It's like a cardamom? Wait, this is very similar. We drink
But
tea.
is the leaves leaves
Yeah.
is not used to the idea. So it's my assistant who can protect the bag. So you
We-
can smell the bag.
We drink tea.
For tea,
Yeah,
cakes,
chai.
Chai, exactly.
See, let's try. Oh, so good.
Do you have any idea about this?
No.
No? It's just cinnamon.
I'm upset now. I love cinnamon. How come I didn't know the cinnamon? My favorite. Oh my god.
Okay, so this is the cinnamon tree. So the cinnamon,
Yes.
so how it's so? So the cinnamon
Yes.
so like it. So it's the cinnamon, we call it the queen of spice.
Queen of spice.
It's the queen of
Cinnamon.
spice. So that's why we call it the
Okay.
queen of spice, because we use anything from this tree.
Mm.
We use the leaves, we use bark, and we use the roots.
So everything. There's no waste.
Everything.
We
get
carve
cinnamon
it,
stick.
right?
We get cinnamon stick to become the cinnamon bark.
Ah.
But we peel the bark and then we try in the sun. After
Yeah.
to try, it
Try.
roll by themselves,
Yeah.
and then to become cinnamon stick and to be
Oh,
done
they
brown.
automatically, they naturally
Yes,
rolls
yes,
themselves.
by themselves.
Okay, okay. Baby cinnamon
Baby cinnamon. Baby
become seed.
become the cinnamon. It's a baby
Cinnamon.
cinnamon to become the cinnamon seed.
Okay.
In Swahili, we call it tangawizi.
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 Looks like ginger.
It looks like a ginger.
Yeah.
Yes. You can try it. It looks like a ginger.
Mm.
So you can try it.
It's a ginger. It's not
It's not ginger, it's a tangawizi.
tangawizi.
Yeah, it's tangawizi. You can try it, don't you worry. It's not poison.
I know, but it's too strong, too spicy sometimes. Ah.
Okay, so this is a ginger. You don't like ginger?
Oh, this is ginger.
It's a ginger plant, yeah. This is a ginger root. You see here? This is the ginger root. Okay?
I think I'm gonna become stronger, healthier once I finish this tour. Look, every time I eat turmeric, ginger, cinnamon.
Okay, so this is the ginger is a natural Viagra for men. So
Yeah.
how we do? We take a ginger powder, cinnamon powder with the honey. So we mix together. After that, we find the small cup.
Why you whisper all of a sudden?
After half hour.
Okay.
Okay.
Coffee?
This is the coffee flower. So let me show you the coffee bean.
Coffee flower smells so good. But it's good for your skin, right?
Yeah, it's good for sunburn. Yeah, it's good
Sunburn.
for sunburn. It's-
But why? Because I saw a lot of people are selling at the beach.
yeah.
Because most of people at the beach, they get sunburn.
Sunburn, and then
So,
for for
As well as that we are using for making shampoo.
shampoo.
We made shampoo, yes, we use for the hair.
Yes,
As well, we made tea. We made aloe vera tea.
aloe vera tea.
Yeah. But it's aloe vera we are using, we made a cosmetic.
Okay.
We made perfume,
Mm-hmm.
we made soap, and we made lotion.
So good. Look at this.
Yeah.
Can I? Oh wow, beautiful.
Tell me what is? Other fruit.
Pineapple! Wow, that's so cute.
Yeah, so this is the pineapple.
Wow. This
But,
is
but
first-
the pineapple no more one plant, one fruit for 1 year.
Oh my god,
We
this
get
is so
one
cute.
plant, one fruit for 1 year. Come on, Delia, quick, quick.
Oh, tastes so good.
This is the savella. We call it because when I finish tour, you'll be queen
Yeah.
without king.
Okay, without king.
Like a watch.
It's like a watch. Sorry. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, are you okay? Okay, so this way, yeah?
Are you sure you are the queen without a king?
Queen. Yeah, without the king. Yeah, I'm the queen of the island. And then queen
Then
Zanzibar.
I'm the king of the island.
You? You're the fifth king.
Sick.
Okay,
Sixth.
you have done?
Yes.
What?
queen of cinnamon.
So these fruits we are using for color.
Vision for color.
But our grandmother, they are using this fruit for makeup. So now no longer use because we have a new makeup.
Right.
So it's my assistant. He's going to show you which kind of makeup. So soon he'll be handsome boy.
Okay.
See, when you crush it, you'll get strong color. Have a look.
And then you put it on your lips. Oh wow, that's a strong color. Look at it. Wow.
It's
Beautiful color.
And also Indian people,
okay,
Indian people, they are using for
yes.
making dots.
Yes.
These Maasai people also they are using for change hair color. Like
And
this.
stays like that?
Yes.
You look pretty.
So we call it Zanzibar apple. So that's why we call it Zanzibar apple because the taste is like apple.
Yeah. Oh, it's not so sweet. So 7 people manage this.
Yeah, they were here in the morning.
It's not. So we take a star fruit, custard apple, we take mango, and we have a
Oh wow,
fruit.
this.
We call it rubber fruit.
Be careful.
So that's why we call it a star fruit because when you cut it, it's to be like a star. See? That's that. So you are star lady. Oh la la.
I'm a star lady.
Take it. You can eat.
Okay.
Yes.
It's good.
It's little bit sour because it's not yet ripe. It's when I get ripe, it's to be.
Oh, it's good.
orange.
It tastes good. Yeah.
Yeah, the Pojagani.
Cacao tree. Ah, look at this.
We call it a chocolate tree. But we take the ripe.
Yep.
We take the ripe, and then we cut inside, and then we take the seed inside, and then we fry without water to remove the white skin.
Okay.
After that, we grind it.
Oh
and
my
then we
god,
make
that's a
powder.
lot of work to do.
So this tree, it is produce only flower.
Okay.
It is no fruit.
Only flower, no fruit.
Yeah. You can smell it and then tell me.
Oh wow, this.
So, this flower in Europe there. This
know
flower
what it
they are
is.
using for making Chanel.
Yeah,
Chanel
yeah.
number 5.
Yeah.
So this is a lang lang.
Lang lang.
Lang lang.
Ah,
This
lily.
This is a lang lang.
Lang lang.
This is a lang lang flower. This is a lang lang tree. But it's a lang lang. It's no more. It is close 3 islands here, Zanzibar, Comoro, and Madagascar. People from French, they are going tomorrow or Madagascar, or they're coming here, Zanzibar. They pick some flower and then they're going to make a Chanel. Chanel number 5.
It's Chanel number 5
Yeah,
right here.
So, but here Zanzibar we make Chanel number 0.
Number 0, yes. Geni sana.
Nakaribishwa Zanzibar yetu,
Hakuna matata.
ya kupendeza, hakuna
Matata.
karibuni wageni,
Hakuna matata. Matata. Ooh.
Mamma mia!
Get it!